Hello kids, good morning. Welcome again. We are going to work in our second week online, okay? I hope you had a nice weekend with your family, resting, playing, watching movies, doing whatever you like to do, you guys, okay? So I'm going to start with a very fun activity today. Remember that English is practice. English means practice every single day, okay? So I'm going to start with one activity today, which is really fun. You have the clicks, sorry, you have the links down here. Just give it a click and you're going to start playing with these really nice activities. First, I want you to click on the boy, and then we're going to have here many options to change whatever you want to do just to practice. Okay, I started with this kid over here, but I can make any more changes. I can make a curly hair here. I can give different eyes here. I can also change the t-shirt here. Okay, and I can change the color. All right, so I can do another one over here. Look, change different colors, eyes colors, the hair. I can put some glasses. I can change the hair's color. I can put a blouse, a shirt, okay? And this is fun for you so that you can practice and you can play for a little bit more. Just imagine this is you, this is one of your friends, this is a person you know, and this is someone else in your family probably, okay? But what is the point of this? Once I have finished working with this, I'm going to practice one song when I have many different points, okay? So please listen and try to practice.
I'm proud to be me, but I also see you're just as proud to be you. We might look at things a bit differently, but lots of good people do. That's just human nature, so I will respect you for being as human as I. We'll get as we give if we live and let live, and we'll both get along if we try. I'm proud to be me, but I also see you're just as proud to be you. It's true, you're just as proud to be you. To be you.
Okay, now that you have listened to the song, look, something important. I'm not giving you the lyrics because this is a listening practice. Okay? Remember, I am not giving you the lyrics because this is a listening practice. So do not only listen once, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, as many times as possible. It is a short song, but it's easy to understand. It is you guys need to listen again and again and again until you can already sing the song just by listening. Okay, I'm proud to be me too, so I invite you to practice. Okay, after we have finished with this activity, I'm going to give you another listening practice. Okay, this is something also really funny. Check, it says let's make a calendar. You have the link below. Just give it a click and try. Okay, once we are here, we're going to remember the month and how many days we have today. Well, how many days we have in March. Okay, so you just have to click here and again listen.
It's March 2020. Let's make a calendar. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday,
Okay, read the question. What day of the week is it today? Today. Okay? It is just one example because today is March 30. But let's just practice.
Great job! Today is Monday, March 30th, 2020.
Excellent. Okay, and you can listen again.
Today is Monday, March 30th, 2020.
And then you give a click to the next option. This is the next question. Okay, it says fill in the missing day on date. We have to check all the squares over here. Okay, it is supposed to have every single day in this month, but there is one missing. Which one is it? Okay, we have to
30th.
30th, repeat, and we have to put
Monday. Great job!
exactly. And then we can go to the next question. If, for example, here in this month you have a special date, you can put it marking with one of the stickers it gives you here. If this is your birthday this month, you please just move it around, move it over here, and put it over there. You also have another day that you say you want to go to the dentist, that you want to play with your friends, that you want to watch a movie, just remind it over here. And if you remember about one of the homework that you have to do, just put it here, okay? Or just move it over here. And this is what we have to do in this activity. Practice, please. It is really good. It helps you to listen and to practice your pronunciation. The next question says, choose a picture for your calendar. You just have to choose either this, or this one. And check. Boom. We change here. You don't like it, you can try another one. It depends on what you want your calendar to look, okay? Or probably this one. In my case, I like this one the most. I'm gonna leave it like this. And with this, we are practicing, just to remind, you can also say Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th, 21st,
22nd,
23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th. Today is March 31st. Okay? And with this, we are having much more practice in general activities. Do the activities, you guys, they are really fun. They are very nice. And this is something different, not just being working at the book and those things, okay? This is something really, really funny. Okay, after we have finished with this one, this is important to first know we are going to do first, and then this is important to know how we are going to pronounce. This is a song for practicing the verbs. It gives you here present, past, past participle. We're going to concentrate more in the past of the verbs, okay? Because the next activity for grammar is about verbs in past. But don't be scared, they are just very easy, and this is just to help you practice the pronunciation of them. I'm gonna give you here a little part of the video. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, 4. Go. Go and gone. Shake.
shake, shaken. Poot, 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 poot. Ring, brought, Beat, bat. Come, kid, come.
Oh my!
Break, broken.
Thank you very much. Okay, remember, verbs are very important, one of the most important parts to communicate in the language. After we practice with the song, I just gave you a little part. You can check the whole song in your house. You can do it all, and no problem with this one, okay? Remember, it's present, past participle, and it gives you the image to know what it means. But I'm gonna leave you here. What you have to do right after we um, we have practice with the verbs. You have to write examples in optional pages. I'm giving you one example for this. For example, I'm gonna give you three. The first one is a little girl eating. The second one is a little bird flying, obviously, and the third one is a little boy running. But I have to write examples in past. What is the verb in past for eat? The verb is ate. I'm going to write the little girl, okay, ate spaghetti, comma. She liked it a lot. This is my sentence number one. Okay, this is what I'm going to do. Now, my second example here is the little bird flew 500 kilometers during the winter. Oh my God, this is tough. And the last one could be the little boy ran out of the house because his mom was very angry. Why? We don't know. He probably did not do the homework. He probably did not eat all the food, and that's why mom get angry. Or probably he was fighting with his sister or his brother. I don't really know, okay? Well, this is how you're going to do the examples in optional pages, guys. So please remember, you have to practice every single day to learn the language. Follow as I tell you, and you will have a lot of input to practice and practice and practice. Thank you very much, you guys. This is my activity for today. I'll be uploading some more information tomorrow. Thank you very much. Enjoy. Bye.